So let's just jump right in because a lot of people may think about the benefits of switching to solar, but they aren't quite sure about it. But it seems like the best people to tell us about it are those who actually have solar.
Yeah, I mean, I can tell you about all the benefits, and I try to, but of course, our customers are our best champions. Talk about one of our clients, Nicole Wu, got solar with us a long time ago. Back in 2018, leased her system, not just for the savings, but for the energy independence and the environmental benefits. Let's hear from her.
So for many, many years, we'd wanted to do solar, try to do our best at going more green. So becoming homeowners allowed us to finally go down that path of, achieving the more conscious use of energy and things for our family. So solar seemed to make sense. We have phenomenal output with our system. It allows us to use electricity without worrying about spending money.
Like a couple months in the solar, what did you observe with your BGE bills?
That we weren't paying anything for electricity. We actually were generating so much from the panels that BGE was essentially paying us to provide them with energy. I think we were just hesitant for a minute until we started getting those bills, and it was consistently every month that we made the right decision getting solar put onto the house.
Wow, so great to hear Nicole's story there. How can our viewers get in touch with you in Solar Energy World?
We'd love to reach out and help you as well. 877-SOLAR-TV or SolarEnergyWorld.com. We'll get you that free analysis and see what we could do at your home with your property for your power.
Easy enough. Thank you so much, Wyatt.
Thank you.